In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adblocker on Brave. We'll walk through the exact settings you need so Brave quietly blocks intrusive ads and trackers while keeping sites working smoothly. Start by opening the Brave browser. Once it's up, look to the upper right corner of the window for the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the main menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Brave's Preferences area, where all the privacy and security features live. On the left side, find and select Shields. Shields is Brave's built-in protection that blocks ads, trackers, and other unwanted page elements without needing extra extensions. It's fast, efficient, and designed to work out of the box, but a quick check here ensures you're using the ideal balance of privacy and compatibility. Inside Shields, look for the section labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking. Set this to Standard. Standard mode blocks the most common trackers and ad scripts that slow pages and profile your activity, but it does so in a way that usually keeps sites functioning correctly. It's the recommended choice for everyday browsing because it gives you strong protection without breaking site features like embedded videos, comments, or login prompts. Next, locate the block cookies setting and choose block third-party cookies. Third-party cookies come from domains other than the site you're visiting, and they're often used to follow you across the web for ad targeting. Blocking them significantly reduces cross-site tracking while still allowing first-party cookies, which many sites rely on for things like keeping you signed in or remembering preferences. This setting strikes a good privacy performance balance, so pages continue to behave as expected. Once you've set trackers and ads blocking to standard and block cookies to block third-party cookies, you're all set. There's nothing else to install and no restart required. From now on, you should notice cleaner pages, faster load times, and fewer distracting elements, all while keeping essential site functions intact. If you ever run into a page that doesn't load correctly, it's typically because the site depends on something that's being blocked. Brave gives you flexible controls to adjust protections when you need to, but for most users and most sites, the standard and third-party cookie blocking combo provides excellent results. That's it. Your Brave ad and tracker protection is configured for smart, hassle-free browsing. Enjoy a faster, more private web experience with settings that just work.